Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download code blocks for Windows 11. First thing first, launch any browser and in the search bar type codeblocks download. Click the first link or go to codeblocks.org/downloads. Now, click the Downloads tab at the top of the page and you'll be redirected to a page with multiple versions of the installer. Choose the version and then click the SourceForge.net mirror link to start the download. Your browser should start downloading the file within a few seconds. Once downloaded, double-click on CodeBlocks File, then click Next. Accept license agreement, then click Next and ensure you have at least 600 megabytes of free disk space. Choose installation folder, default is fine, then click Install and once finished, click Next and then Finish. CodeBlocks is now installed. It includes the MinGW C++ compiler so you can start coding immediately. As simple as that, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.